This is the Health Smartwatch. This thing's actually kind of cool, kind of fun. How accurate it is, I have no idea, but it has a bunch of cool functions on there. And it's actually, the battery on here lasts quite a long time. You have your sensors and everything on the back right here, and there's a sensor here to do all kinds of stuff, but I'll go through that. So just let me show you what you get with this. It comes in this box, packed real nice, foam, safe, a really pretty decent set of instructions right here. There's a lot going on here, and it's in different languages too. A QR code on here because you can download an app that goes with this and use that if you like. A little over a foot long charging cable on here, and it is the magnetic type. There you go, magnetizes to the back, no charging block. It's a pretty heavy duty metal device, except for the straps themselves. They're kind of a silicone-y feeling thing here. It fits over my big old wrists. Double lockdowns right here, I like that. So you can see it's got a clock feature on here, and on the clock you can see the heart monitor, see the battery gauge. You can slide it up and down, left and right to do all kinds of stuff, which I think is cool. So if I slide down, you can see we can go into different settings in here. Bluetooth, it's looking for, vibration feature, silent, light settings, just gives some system info, and you can erase data, H-band for weather if you want to get that. You got two buttons on the side here, just seem to take you back to the home screen, and there's like a little heart monitor right here. You got that monitor, it's a sleep monitor right there. So it's got your heartbeats per minute there, blood oxygen level. You can do a blood glucose test, tells you to stay still. It's going through its percentages, 50, 70, 80, 90, and there's my blood glucose. According to this device, there's my heartbeats per minute. It's been on there long enough to register. That's body temperature, so it tells you that it'll measure your body temperature. Pretty cool, pretty fun to play with. How accurate it is, I have no idea, but there it is. Smart Health Watch.